This is the obstacle course of doom. Meow. And there's Milo. Not doing anything. Okay, let's do this again. He likes it over here. Go. When Marcus said go! I know, wrong way, idiot. He's making progress.
Yes.
Come on, I don't have all day, baby.
Oh no, excuse me.
Oh, P.S. I knocked down one of the things.
What are you doing?
It took so long from here.
Yeah.
It's funny.
Go. Going.
I know. He's gonna do it this time. Go, baby, go!
We should make a chant for him. M-I-L-O, go Milo!
Hurry, I don't want my battery to die. I love this song. He's gonna try to climb up again.
Can't believe we didn't see that opening over there.
I know. He might go for it again. Yeah. Oh, he's gonna try to climb again. Don't do it.
His neck outstretches out. Hey.
Feel good. Tonight.
Almost there, buddy.
Also with Jeremy. Come here, baby. Come finish. No. Milo.
Finish line.
This is the finish line. Right here. And here he comes. There he is. Do it, baby. No, not again. What are you doing? This way. Come here. Push. You can't do that on his own. Wait, I want you to climb over here. Oh my god. Come to my hand.
You gotta go past the finish line, Milo.
Oh, you're gonna fall. Here. I got you.
Go.
Go. Oh my god.
Milo.
No, finish line. Cross it.
Yeah! Milo!
Good job, baby. That took a very long time. Now let's see what he does.
Let's go, Milo. Push it, Milo. Push it, Milo.
Go.
Milo. Go, Milo. Go all the way, Milo. Get it, Milo. Ah!